Hi guys, this is Aldos again. I'm gonna do this as a continuation of my previous video it says must have accessories for Model X. So the last video, if you have watched, if you guys watched it before, um, I showed you guys what accessories you should have it. So this time I'm gonna show you the accessories that I already installed in the car. So if you haven't watched that previous video, just watch it. I'll put the link at the end of this video. So let's start with my first one. So this is my Model X. So let's start with the first one and my most favorite accessories which I got, which is Tesla sign right here. This is a door handle cover, and this thing is in what do you call it, carbon fiber finish. So look at it, it gives you a beautiful look, and it's printed Tesla. So make sure if you get it, make sure you get it with that Tesla printed thing on it. So there are some which without the Tesla, it doesn't look as good as this one. So make sure you get the one with the thing it says Tesla on it, and I'll put the link on description, so look for that. Second one is see the T, red T. So obviously you see now the cover does not have any lettering on it. It's silver. For silver it's silvered out, and for black it's just a black, but there's actually a groove in it, so you can put a red Tesla sticker, which I showed you. You can apply that. All right, that's look really good on the car. Another thing is T for your air valve, which is it's upside down right now, but let me show you if I have the other one. It's sideways right here. That T looks really cool on the air cap, which is really good. Now let's open the car. All right, another favorite one right here, the sticker here says Tesla. Also it's a carbon fiber finish, so that it will give you a really cool look on that. All right, and next one, it's a phone holder right here. It's not on your way. If you look from here, it's actually really cool place to have a phone. I'm gonna try to put my phone with my one hand. Let me see if I can put that. It's kind of hard. Just I don't know how it's gonna work, but just push that thing in. The phone will be like this. So if you want to watch some movies, or while you're driving and using autopilot, I wouldn't recommend watching a movie, but at least you have something over here that's like a cool. The phone, it's pretty sturdy, and phone is not gonna go anywhere. So that's that. Now I'm gonna show you my dash cam right there. I have a Blackview 900 2-channel one, which can record in 4K. I have one here and I have one in the back. I'm gonna show you that from the front. I don't know if you're able to see that. It's right there. That's 4K right there. Okay, so that's that. Another thing is a Easy Pass holder right there. You should have it. I have the smaller Easy Pass, so I got the smaller cover for that. If you have a bigger one, you can get a bigger one. So from the inside look. All right, next one is your cup holder tray cover, which is right here, which has a wireless charging. I'm gonna put my phone and show you. See, it's charging right now. That's my son. So it's charging. That's another one. Next one is a screen protector. It's already in the display. I cannot show you, but it's already applied there. All right, next one, I'm gonna show you the brake and the accelerator cover, which is silver chrome. I'm not a fan of chrome, but this actually look really cool, like more sporty, which is really good. And thing is matte. It's kind of dirty because we just had rain, but this is all weather matte, which is really good. I'll show you from the back. And door sill sticker, which says Model X. Really cool. You should have it, because otherwise it will scratch your sill, and the sill comes with it. It's not really a good looking one. So you can look at the back one, really cool. And look at these really cool mat in there. Okay, let me show you one more thing which I think I have is the cover for the remote. See, look at it. Even if you drop it, I dropped a couple of times already, so even if you drop it, nothing gonna happen to you. This is cool looking gold. You can you know, get it in multiple colors. So so all these things are my recommended you know, must-have accessories, and I want to get a couple more things. Once I get it, I will update that too. All right, thanks for watching, and make sure subscribe and like the video and share it with your friends if you like it. Thank you so much.